Dad.
Happy 18th birthday, Riz! Happy 18th birthday, Riz! Hey!
Happy 18th birthday, Lian Riz. Sana mag-iit ka palagi-lagi mong galingan.
We're coming out, out. Out of the shadows and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow we will shine so bright. Out of the shadows and straight into the light. Come out of the shadows, tomorrow we will shine so bright. See it lying in the sailboat in the sky. All I see is little clouds passing me by.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo para lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad mo. Kasi para rin sa magandang kinabukasan mo yan, para sa lahat ng gagawin mo sa buhay mo, maging matatag ka. Be responsible at magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos.
Wala naman ako ibang hiling sa'yo kundi makatapos ka nga din ng pag-aaral. And syempre, in the future, ikaw din naman mag-decide para sa sarili mo. And kami ng mama mo, lagi lang kami nandito kasama ng mga kapatid mo. Just bring all the happiness in this world. Happy birthday, Ate.
Suddenly a symphony is playing in my head. Now I wanna see the world the way you do instead. Like a silver line and pretty picture point of view. I like the way you make me feel the way I feel with you. And
happy birthday, Riz. Sana maging malusog ka lagi at sumunod sa nanay mo. Focus sa studies, wag mag-boyfriend. Good health.
the way you see it. You're kind of beautiful, it's beautiful to me. You're kind of beautiful, it's beautiful to me.
Happy birthday, Riz. Lagi kang sumunod sa mga payo ng magulang mo na mas nakakatanda sa'yo. Naway, lagi kang gabayan ni Lord.
So, nakapag-bayback ka kay mama mo, sa tito mo, sa mga kapatid mo. And syempre, ups and down ng buhay, ang wag na wag mo kakalimutan is lagi magdasal. And happy birthday ulit, saka good night.
Prioritize mo yung pag-aaral mo, yung family mo, dahil lahat ng taong nagpe-payback sa family, nagkakaroon ng magandang buhay. Yun lang din. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Happy 18th birthday, Riz. Syempre, ang wish ko is matupad lahat ng wish nila para sa iyo. Kasi lahat nasabi na rin naman nila. And pag kailangan mo lang si ate, andito lang kami palagi. Mahal kita, mahal ka namin lahat.
You're kind of beautiful, it's beautiful to me. You're kind of beautiful.
Happy 18th birthday. Say what you are. Wish you success in life and good luck sa journey mo bilang adult. Happy birthday again.